How do you add a video to your Stand Store landing page? You have two main options: uploading the video directly to Stand Store or embedding it from a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Uploading gives you complete control over the video's presentation and ensures it aligns perfectly with your brand. You upload the video file via the Stand Store dashboard's media library, then embed it using the drag and drop page builder. Embedding, on the other hand, is simple and leverages the infrastructure of established video platforms. You simply copy the embed code from your chosen platform and paste it into Stand Store's HTML editor. The best choice depends on your needs. Uploading provides more control, while embedding offers convenience and potentially wider reach. Keep in mind, Stand Store supports MP4, WebM, and MOV video formats with a maximum size of 500 megabytes and has a 2025 storage fee starting at 10 per gigabit per month. Also keep in mind, best practices say to keep the video length between 30 to 90 seconds for a landing page. Here's a quick walkthrough of both methods. To upload, navigate to the media library in your Stand Store dashboard. Click Add Media, then upload your video file. Once uploaded, you can drag and drop the video into your landing page layout. Consider adding captions via Stand Store's editor for accessibility. For embedding, go to your video on YouTube or Vimeo and copy the embed code. Then, in Stand Store, access the HTML editor within your page builder and paste the code. Ensure the video is responsive by checking how it looks on different devices, especially mobile. Don't forget to optimize your video with descriptive titles and alt texts to improve SEO. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure your video loads quickly. Aim for under 2 seconds to avoid losing visitors. Remember that as of 2025, autoplay is disabled by default to respect user preferences, and HTTPS is mandatory for all embeds.